Hello everyone. This very short video is a small extra to the photogrammetry miniseries with Blender and Meshroom, whose final episode one published just a few days ago. Specifically, I'll show you how to resize the camera icons and the points detected by the Prepare in Scene node in the 3D view. This can be useful to better identify the areas we're actually interested in for the reconstruction, so we can then resize the bounding box defined in the Meshing node, as I explained in the mini-series. There are two settings we're interested in, both located in the Display section on the right side of the 3D Viewer window. I'll start by resizing the camera icons, since they're usually quite large and end up hiding many parts of the scene. Once that's done, I can resize the icons of the points in the point cloud detected by Meshroom, which will later be used to reconstruct the 3D object. Now, resizing the bounding box to limit the 3D area to be reconstructed becomes much easier. Just a reminder, to be able to see the custom bounding box enabled in the Parameters panel of the Meshing node, you need to double-click the Meshing node in the Graph Editor. Unlike most of my video tutorials, the PDF version of this tutorial is not currently available for download. However, you can find a link in the description to the page containing the PDF versions of many of my other video tutorials. Either way, this is a great time to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. That's it for this super short tutorial. See you soon.